In this video, we're gonna to continue what we started before about the geometric sequence and solve some questions about this. First of all, here I should know the formula of the geometric sequence, which is En equals A1 times R power n minus 1, where En is the nth term in the sequence or the required term. A1 is the first term and it's all the time given, and n is the number of the terms, and r is the common ratio. Let's see first question here. Write the first four terms of the sequence with the first term A1 equals 7 and the common ratio equals third. So En equals A1 times R power n minus 1. He wants the first four terms. So I will write A1 equals A1 is 7 times R is third power n minus 1. So 1 minus 1 equals 7. A2 equals 7 times ratio is third power n minus 1, as in the second term will be 2 minus 1 equals 7 over 3, and so on. A3 equals 7 times third power 3 minus 1 equals 7 over 9, and A4 equals 7 over 27, and A5 equals 7 over 81. The second question is here. Find the 19th term in the sequence of 11, 33, 99, 297. In the beginning, I should make sure this is the geometric sequence. So what I should do, I will find the ratio and make sure that the ratio is for all the numbers here, okay? So 11 times what equals 33? Yes, it's 3. Okay, I wanted to make sure the 3 is applied to the second term. So 33 times 3 equals 99, so it's right. So this is a geometric sequence and the ratio of it equals 3. To get the 19th term, I should write the formula of me, which is En equals A1 times R power n minus 1. A1 is the first term, and here is 11, and R, the ratio is 3, as we said before, power n minus 1, so he wants the 19th term, so it will be 19 minus 1 equals 18. Then simplify to get the answer here. So 11 times 3 power 18 equals this number. Let's move to second question. Here find the 10th term. If I give you 1 and negative 6 and 36 and negative 216, we said what? We said what we should make sure of it first. Think for a while. Yes, we should make sure if there's a geometric sequence and what is the ratio of it. So I will see 1 times what equals negative 6. Yeah, it's negative 6. So I wanted to make sure negative 6 multiplied by each term give me the second term of it. So negative 6 times negative 6 equals 36, so I'm right. So I will write first the formula. En equals A1 times R power n minus 1. The common ratio here is 6, as we said before, negative 6, as we said before. So A10 equals A1, the first term here is 1, times the ratio is negative 6, power 10 minus 1. So it will be A10 equals 1 times negative 6 power 9 equals, simplify it to get the answer here. Of course, here with the calculator. Going to the third example here. Write the first four terms of the sequence as we solved. Yeah, we solved this before. Look over here. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. He wants the fifth term. I wanted to know what is the ratio first. Yeah, 1 times what equals 2, so it will be 2. I want to make sure this is the geometric sequence. Yeah, 2 times 2 equals 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8, so it's the geometric. So I wanted to write the formula of the geometric sequence here. En equals a r power n minus 1. He wants the fifth term, so a5 equals, the first term is 1 here, so a, substitute with a 1 times r, the ratio is 2, substitute with r 2, power n minus 1, 5 minus 1 equals 4, so the answer here will be 16. Look over here, find the eighth term of 0 0.4, 0 0.004, 0 0.004. I wanted to get the ratio first. Yes, it will be 0 0.1. The ratio here is 0 0.04 over 0 0.4 equals 0 0.1. As we said, 0 0.4 times 1 equals 0 0.04. Then a is the first term, 0 0.4 times r, the ratio is 0 0.1, power, he wants the eighth, so it will be 8 minus 1, it will be 7. So E8 equals 0 0.4 times 0 0.1 over power 7 equals this number. That's about examples of the geometric sequence. Thank you.